Have you ever wondered how mechanics figure out what's wrong with your car? It's like they have a sixth sense. Well, they do in a way. It's called an OBD2 scanner, and it's like a secret code book for your car. This handy tool lets you talk to your car's computer and find out what's going on under the hood. Think of it like this. Your car is constantly monitoring itself, looking for any problems. If it finds something, it stores a secret code in its computer. An OBD2 scanner is the key to unlocking those codes and understanding what they mean. Now you might be thinking, that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not. With a little guidance, anyone can use an OBD2 scanner. It's like having a mechanic in your pocket. So, are you ready to become a car whisperer? Let's dive in and learn how to use an OBD2 scanner like a pro. First things first, we need to find the OBD2 port. It's like a treasure hunt, but don't worry, it's usually pretty easy to find. In most cars, it's located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Look for a small, trapezoidal-shaped connector. It might have a cover on it that says OBD2 or Diagnostic. It's usually near the steering wheel or the pedals. Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step, plugging in your scanner. Now comes the fun part, connecting your OBD2 scanner. Grab your scanner and locate the connector cable. It's usually a rectangular plug with pins on one side. Carefully align the connector with the OBD2 port on your car. You should feel it click into place. Now, your scanner is plugged in and ready to communicate with your car's computer. But we're not quite there yet. We need to power up the scanner. To bring your OBD2 scanner to life, we need to turn on your car's electrical system. But don't start the engine just yet. We just need to turn the ignition to the on position. You'll know it's on because your dashboard lights will come on. You might hear a few beeps and boops. That's just your car waking up. Now your scanner has power and is ready to scan your car for any hidden codes. Let's find out what your car has to say. Section 5. Cracking the code. Running a diagnostic scan. With your scanner powered up, it's time to run a diagnostic scan. This will tell us if your car has stored any trouble codes. Most scanners have a simple menu system. Look for an option that says Scan, Read Codes, or something similar. Once you've selected the Scan option, the scanner will start communicating with your car's computer. This might take a few moments, so be patient. While you wait, you can imagine you're a detective, hot on the trail of a mystery. Section 6. Code Breakers, Understanding Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs. After the scan is complete, your scanner will display any trouble codes it found. These codes are like secret messages from your car, telling you what needs attention. Don't worry if the codes look like gibberish at first. They're actually standardized codes called Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, and each one has a specific meaning. For example, a code like P0301 means there's a misfire in cylinder 1. Jot down any codes you see on a piece of paper or take a picture of the screen. Now let's decipher these codes. Section 7. Knowledge is power researching your DTCs. Now that you have your list of DTCs, it's time to crack the code and figure out what they mean. Luckily, you have a few options. Some scanners have a built-in database that can tell you what each code means. Simply enter the code and the scanner will provide a description. If your scanner doesn't have a database, don't worry. There are plenty of online resources that can help. Just search for OBD2 code lookup and you'll find websites and forums dedicated to deciphering DTCs. Armed with this knowledge, you can start troubleshooting the problem yourself or talk to a mechanic with confidence. Section 8. Stay ahead of the game. Regular diagnostics for a healthy car. Congratulations! You've successfully used an OBD2 scanner like a pro. You can now communicate with your car, understand its secret codes, and address any issues before they become major problems. By regularly scanning your car for DTCs, you can stay ahead of the game and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Think of it like a regular checkup for your car, just like you would visit the doctor for yourself. So go ahead, embrace your inner mechanic, and take control of your car's health with an OBD2 scanner.